Hello and what's up everybody, you are watching to Let's Talk About, and today we are going to Uppsala, Sweden for jam and juice. I hope you all are ready. Let's go baby!
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Juice, we're coming. Uppsala.
So what's up? You know where to go?
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay.
Happy that we are here. How many minutes more?
6 more minutes, then we are there.
Alright.
If we walk faster, 5 more minutes.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Someone is looking at the map, so we got a little bit lost I think. You know where to go?
Everything at once.
Yes. But it's still, we're in the Uppsala, so let's head to the jam and juice. Finally we are here at the venue after so many obstacles to find out in the Google Maps. Big shout out to Ritesh bhai here right now. So yeah, and today we are here at Jam and Juice Festival. So yeah, we're gonna have a 2 vs 2 battle from hip hop, house and funk, and 70 smoke breaking battle like Graffiti, after party, workshop, rookie battle, and many more.
You can still go, even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
What's up everybody, I go by the name MCPJ, and here I'm with Miss Katarina, one of the founder of Uppsala Lots Hip Hop and instructor of Uppsala Dance Center. And today we are here at Jam and Juice Festival 2022. And yeah, let's talk about it.
Yeah.
So, how are you first of all?
I'm good. I have been a little bit stressed, but I'm enjoying myself now, watching everybody else enjoy themselves.
So yeah, can you tell us a little bit more about the event today? What is happening? Is it just happening this year or has it been happening for a long time, because I'm new here? So I would like to know a little bit about the event and the Swedish hip hop culture from your point of view.
Yeah. So I started together with a friend, Mateja Kovacevic. She's not here. We started Uppsala Loves Hip Hop, and we started in 2014. And we've been doing like events and having workshops ever since then. And Jam and Juice we started in 2016, and we did it for 3 years, but just as one day with battles and everything. So this is the first time we did it as a festival. 4 days. So we started Thursday.
Yeah, I missed it a couple of days, but right here I'm with one of the founders, and I'm very blessed and honored to be here. So yeah, thank you very
for
much.
coming.
Thank you very much. So yeah, so it's been a couple of years that you've been doing this Jam and Juice. How hard it is and easy it is, or you started it as in a local event, or you started as this big from all around Sweden and people can come and jam and have a good time?
Yeah, so we started pretty small with like open practices and like I said, like battle events, but for like 1 day event. And I mean, it's been hard but fun. I think the most hard is the economic to like find fundings.
Everywhere in the world.
Because I mean, we need to eat. We don't want to do everything for free. So and because I work as a dancer also, so this is like part of my job. So
I understand.
I can't do it for free, of unfortunately.
I respect that.
And we want to keep the level high also. So I think the economic part is maybe I think the hardest part. Yeah, but other than that, I mean, people need this here in Sweden. The dancers need this.
Thank you so much for doing this for the people and for the community to
Yeah.
stand tall, no matter what the circumstances is. You are bringing this down, giving us the platform, giving people who loves to dance, who loves music, who love hip hop,
Yeah.
flow to get down.
Yes.
You know? So thank you very much. And yeah,
Thank you
it's-
for coming. Yeah. We have the
last
rain
bit.
now.
So yeah, I think we gotta cut down. But before that, just very quick question: what do you, from your personal life experience, what is hip hop for you? Because everyone has
Yeah.
a different experience and their expression.
For me, the hip hop music is very close to my heart. I have two big brothers, and so since I was little, I've heard them play like hip hop music. So for me, it's like a connection to my brothers, and just I don't know. I feel like it's been a way to like connect with myself, but most important with others. It feels like a community, and like it sounds maybe cheesy, but it really is like the peace, love, and having fun. So yeah, it means a lot.
Right. So yeah, with that being said, we gotta go inside. But one more question. I'm so sorry. What are you expecting today in the event?
I'm expecting a lot of good vibes, good dancing, and smiles, and yeah.
All right. So let's go. Follow. What's your name and what are you doing, sir?
Hello, my name is Elias and I'm here battling. I was originally looking for someone to battle with, but then I luckily found one and we've just done pre-selection and now we're moving on to quarterfinals.
All right. So how old are you?
I am 12 years old.
All right. So 12 years old, battling against all the adults right here. All right. So you're gonna kill them with the dance move.
Yes.
All right. So
Slay.
last but not the least, how do you like the event?
What?
How do you like the event today?
It's awesome.
All right.
It's awesome. I'm gonna come here next year too.
All right. Hope to see you next year, Elias. Thank you so much for being here and giving your time, and wish you all the best. All right. Hello, and how are you?
Hello, I'm good. I'm Swedish.
All right. All right. So, what's your name and what are you doing today here?
My name is Jen and I'm from Sweden and today I'm participating in hip hop 2 versus 2 and funk 2 versus 2.
All right. So, how is it going till now?
It's very fun and I had a lot of great time.
All right.
Until now.
That's what's up. So, how do you think about the event today? How do you
It's
like it?
Very nice, and I didn't expect it to be so many people participating in the styles. Yes, it's very nice because it has been the pandemic and everything, so now it's nice to get all of this energy together at the same place
And get down on the floor and exploring.
Exactly.
And
get
doing
nice
what you love.
together.
All right, that's what's up. So yeah, thank you for your time and wish you all the best.
Thank you. You too. Good luck with your channel.
Thank you.
Axel, Västerås, Sweden.
All right, so how are you guys doing today?
Good, we're good. Really good.
Feeling good?
Jamming juice, enjoying ourselves.
All right.
Battles. Uppsala City.
All right, so how do you like the event today?
To be honest, the event was nice. It's not even over. It just started. So yeah, We're looking forward to see what's coming up next.
Definitely. Really good dancers. Yeah, really. No competition here. Yeah, that was good.
All right, kids, you guys are making me nervous. Like group of people, and I was like, okay, what am I supposed? What's up? What's up?
What's going on?
I'm like, okay.
So back to the questions.
How many of you are participating today?
What you say?
Like, how many of you are participating today?
Everybody.
Everybody.
So we're hip hop, right?
Yeah. And also
right.
house, maybe someone. I don't know.
All right. So how did you guys get into the dance form or the hip hop basically from the back then?
Different, really different. We come from different places as well.
Yeah.
It's a lot of different places.
All right. So.
But a lot of it came through travels, I would say. Like traveling, going to events, have some people around you that also dance, give you inspiration, and then you take that and you go on, and you meet more people. And also, I think for all of us, we went to the same dance school as well.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Also.
Wow. Awesome.
High school.
Yes.
Shout out to Åsa Folkhögskola. Everybody here represent Åsa Folkhögskola. We're in the building.
Put some respect on it.
All right.
Back on it.
All right.
No,
So,
but yeah, we just, everybody, like he said, everybody has different backgrounds from where we started from.
Yeah.
I'm born and raised in Stockholm, and I have my roots from Africa, so for me, it's just been home, a culture thing, dancing for me and stuff, so yeah. But I think everybody of us shares the same thing, so that's why we all connected together at the end of the day, like everybody here.
So you believe hip hop connects?
Definitely. Hip hop is life. Don't let them fool you. Don't let the news fool you. Hip hop connects. You see?
Exactly.
Look at everybody. This is hip hop.
Yeah.
Hip hop.
All right. One love for hip hop.
One love.
Thank you very much, guys, for your time.
Shout out, much love. What you said the channel was?
Let's talk about hip hop.
Let's talk about hip hop. We are hip hop. Shout out. Let's talk about hip hop.
Shout out Nepal. Swedish hip hop. Let's go.
Thank you, guys.